Hey guys, how are we doing today? And today we're going to talk about Manifestations 101. So, what I've learned is that a lot of people, when they start manifestation, they start with something very complex. So, the first point I wanted to give you all is that you should start with something very simple. What I mean by simple is not by manifesting something really great, because your belief system is still developing towards the laws of the universe, towards manifestation, towards well-being. So your belief system may not be strong enough to get something really big, and you might be on the verge of it might not. So what I want you to do is start with something really simple. What that will do is that will boost your belief system into believing manifestation stronger and stronger and stronger. And once that belief system is set inside your mind, you'll be able to manifest really big things very easily. That's when you should actually start manifesting something really complex. What you need to understand about manifestation is that everything is in your head. It comes, it is created by you. So what is the most important thing of manifestation is your belief system. So till your belief system is not that strong enough, I would want you to try doing smaller manifestations rather than big ones. Second thing I wanted to tell you is don't manifest with complex feelings. What I mean by that is there are a lot of things that will make you feel good, but most of them may be temporary. It might change your mood in like a quick second. What I mean by that is sometimes we take complex feelings, and by complex feelings I mean feelings that we get from others or that are developed through something in our life, developed through situations we are facing. Situations might change, and once they change, you'll be off your game. So let the feelings be more general. What I mean by that is use something permanent in your life that will help you give or get that good feeling. So the best thing I can tell you to do is feel beautiful, feel good through nature, because nature is always going to be there. The trees, sunlight, air. Best thing to feel good about. You are in perfect harmony. I don't know why people say that I don't have anything to be happy about. Well, you are in perfect harmony with nature. I don't know what else do you need to be actually happy. But it's okay. It takes time to develop those beliefs, those thoughts in you. So the third point I would like to give you is meditate. What is meditation? Meditation is when you sit, do nothing, think about nothing, and just be aware in the moment. It will help you to gain more concentration, gain more power over your thoughts, and that will help you to set your beliefs even better than they were, because meditation helps you to just be in the moment. And when you start living in the moment, nothing can beat that, because this moment is only true. Your past and your future should not and does not have power over the moment. Only you do. Your beliefs do, your thoughts do, and whatever you physically do is the power of the moment. So in the moment, if you start believing in the moment that you will be happy, what I mean by that is stop thinking about the past and stop worrying about the future. So what will happen is that your right now, the moment will be happy. This moment will be happy, then this moment will be happy, then this moment will be happy, then this moment will be happy. That's it. Your whole day is gone in the moment because you decided to stay happy in the moment. It's your choice. See, everything comes with a short end of the stick and the long end of the stick. The short end of the stick is always the negative energy, and the long end of the stick is always the positive energy. So you decide whether in the moment you want to go negative or positive. See, momentum is the most important thing in manifestation, because momentum defines how strong your manifestations are going to be. The momentum of positive energy or the momentum of negative energy. Once that momentum catches on, once it is up to speed, you can't stop it. You can just sleep it off. So the best thing you can do is develop your positive momentum more and more and more and more and more and more, so that your positive energy is so much that you become the positive energy yourself. Your happiness, your satisfaction, everything is very important. Your well-being is infinitely dependent, vice versa, to your manifestation. That what I mean by that is, if you are living in well-being, manifestations are strong. If you are not living in well-being, manifestation is still there, but it's not that strong. It's not that quick. It is not that good. It won't bring your good things to your physical state. So if your well-being is settled, if your belief system is settled, if your thoughts are collected, if you are always satisfied or happy, your manifestation is on point. All you need to do is, first, remember, first point is stop the momentum from going to the negative side. Second, meditate. Meditation is very important, because if you do not meditate, you won't understand how to live in the moment. Third, make your feelings as general as possible, because the more general the feeling, the better the momentum. See, it again comes back to momentum. Fourth, once you start living in the moment, trust me, manifestations won't matter. And that's when manifestation is the strongest, when it doesn't matter, because you are happy with or without it. That's how it should be, because you are the universe yourself. Is for all and all is for one. Understand that everything that is here in this universe is you, are you, and will be you. That really gives me the satisfaction. That is all I never need. But if you so once this happens, your manifestations will be so strong that you can manifest anything and everything you want. Just the thing is, again, those three important points: momentum, meditation, and living in the moment. That's all you need for manifestation. And you see, now manifestation is not just about law of attraction. There are other laws that come into play when it comes to manifestation. So it's okay if you do not know the science behind it, but if you keep these three things in check, your manifestations will be strong. So this is where I'll end the video. If you have any questions, please, you can comment in the comment box. Subscribe to my channel, and you can follow me on Instagram @choose-to-live-in-the-moment. I'll leave that in the description. Plus, I'll leave my business WhatsApp number down in the description. We are live now. We are taking live sessions. So if you are interested in learning more about anything and everything, if you have any problems, you can always contact us. I'll also leave my Gmail down there, and have fun.